परमात्म समारंभम ऋषिगण मध्यमम सद्गुरु पर्यंतम वंदे गुरु परंपरम आदेश जय महाकाल. Now we can see the dengue fever. The dengue fever is the one of the viral fevers. In our area, mostly in rainy season, dengue fevers mostly spreaded. Here, the dengue virus it's enter in our body through the mosquito bite. That mosquito caste is called as a tiger mosquitoes. The tiger caste of the mosquitoes is spreading the dengue virus. This type of mosquitoes mostly 99% is in morning time only the bite the human body. Mostly in once the dengue virus enter in our body, is a 2 to 7 days is the incubation period. In that incubation period point of view, after incubation period, then the dengue related symptoms will start. After some period, after some days, by helping of our immunity system, automatically this virus will become a disappear. But due to that period, the human body mostly suffered a lot of problems. In that time, during that problems point of view, not cooperated sufficient of our immunity system, mostly our body become a death also. So that is the very main problematic with dengue fevers. Now we can see the types of the dengue fevers. Here 3 types is there. The first one is undifferentiated fever. Undifferentiated fever point of view, in dengue fever shown as a normal viral fever point of view. It's look like a viral fever. That is called a undifferentiated fever. The second one is dengue hemorrhagic fever. The dengue hemorrhagic fever means internally bleeding is there. Along with fever, internally bleed also there. That is called a dengue hemorrhagic fever. The third one is the dengue hemorrhagic shock, which means that along with fever, internally bleed is there. At the same time, hypotension also there. Hypotension means low BP. Our blood pressure levels will become a down from the normal levels. That's called a hypotension, which means that low BP. So this is the 3 types. Now we can see the symptoms of the dengue fever. The symptoms is the very important for the dengue fevers. Stomach pain is there. Obviously it's a fever, so fever also there. Headache also there. Eye internally pain also there. Body aches is there. Joint pains also there. Skin rashes also there. Red spots on the skin, that is also there. Bleed from our cheeks, so that is also very important. These are the common symptoms. But we are all known about the dengue fever's point of view. Our platelets will become a decrease. So once platelets will become a decrease means, here one thing is there. Actually the fever mostly 7 to 9 days is running. 90% of dengue cases after decrease the fever temperature. Generally in dengue fever point of view, temperature sometimes 103, 104 also noted. So it will become a 100 like that. It's a decrease. Then we can see, we can image, okay, our body will become a normal. But due to that time, means after incubation period, fever also there. After getting the fever, after some of days, platelets suddenly started to decrease. So actually in platelets, one of the part of the in our blood cells, the platelets work is generally, if suppose in my body here any cutting is there, here bleeding also there, immediately brain tell to platelets, then all the platelets gather in this area, so stopping the bleeding. So the platelets work is like that. Suppose that platelets, suppose the below the normal count, decreasing the platelets, obviously the bleeding will not stopping. Obviously body will become a anemic, then sometimes getting the death also. So this is the platelets importance. So once platelets is decreased, so many other problems also will start it. So then one of the major symptoms of the dengue is the platelet decreasing. So once platelets decrease, internally bleeds is there, and our eye and mouth some spots also there, and blood vomiting, black stools, nasal bleed, leg, hands, face will become a swelling, and fluids forming our stomach area and lungs area and heart also. So this is the major complications along with decreasing the platelets. Now we can see the third major symptom is low BP. Low BP means hypertension. In that time, less urination only the passing. So urination also will decreasing gradually, along with by the major cause of the hypertension. This is the very important. Platelets decrease, low BP, and some other viral fever related symptoms also there. This is the overall the symptoms of the dengue fever. Now you can see the risk. Here one important point of the dengue fever's point of view. If you have a dengue fever, if you are not taking the proper treatment, obviously that will occur, no doubt at all. So very careful about the dengue fevers. Here one important thing is, in dengue virus mostly dangerous to pregnancy women. So in our home, any pregnant woman is there, very careful with dengue virus. The next one is the, if you have a dengue fever, don't use the painkillers, don't use the all type of antibiotics without prescription of the physician. So don't use directly, you go and ask the retailer some medicine, then if you take that medicine, in that time if you have a dengue fever, your body will lose lot of things. So don't use the without prescription of the physician, don't use the antibiotics, painkillers, mostly aspirin related medicine. So that is very important thing, because in platelet decreasing point of view, internal bleeds is there. If you take the aspirin related medicines, so our bleeding level will more and more increase. So that is also very important. The next one is brufen related medicines also you don't use according to dengue condition. So these all the things, all are, please remember that if you use these all the things, your body will become a more and more risk. So this is the risk of the dengue fever. Now we can see the prevention of the dengue fevers. The only one in the prevention is avoiding the mosquitoes. So mosquitoes avoiding point of view, what type of things you have to follow, then you have to follow. Here one thing I want to tell, mostly mosquitoes attracted to dark colors. So if you are wearing the dress light colors, then little bit you can avoiding the mosquito bites. So mostly in mosquitoes time, I request you, all of you, wearing only light color dresses only, not dark color dresses. If you have a dark color dresses, obviously the mosquitoes will bite on your body. So this is the very important thing. So the major prevention is avoiding the mosquitoes. That is only the prevention of dengue fevers. The next one is complications. In dengue time, don't use the self-medication. So you have to take in proper treatment. That is very important. If you go self-treatment, sometimes your immunity helps to you, then you can save, but 1 or 2% only. But most of the people go to self-medication, they lost their life. So if in dengue time, you have to take the proper treatment from the physician. So that is the very important thing. The next one, any type internally bleeding point of view. Internal bleeding point of view means black stools, red spots on the skin, and cheeks, some swelling is, some bleeding also from cheeks, and eye and mouth internally spots is there. These all the symptoms of the internally bleed. So any bleeding situation in fever time, if you have any fever, in that fever any bleeding if you find, you just confirm your fever is dengue or not, your platelets is sufficient way or decreasing way. So you have to conclude it. That is the very important thing. These are the process running way in the hospitals only, not in our home. So any problem if you identify on your body, please humble request all of you, just go and join the hospitals and take the treatment from the physician in proper way. Then only you can save your life, your family also saved by you. So this is the very important thing. Next you can see the diagnosis test. What type test is needed for dengue fever identification point of view? The first one is the tourniquet test. This tourniquet test will identify internally bleed is there or not. This test only the can finally get the concluded. In tourniquet test identified for internal bleed or not. The next is ESR, any infections. Obviously fever type infection is there, that is the viral infection, so ESR also common test. The next one is the total blood counts, because RBC, WBC, like these all the things you have to take that. At the same time platelets counts also very important. So in the platelet counts, if you decrease immediately, we can take some more additional advanced treatment. So that is a very important. The next one is dengue RNA PCR test. Next IgG, IgM, and NS1 and dengue NS1 antigen test. Dengue NS1 antigen test. These all the tests very important for the dengue patients. Now we can see the what about the treatment. In modern medicine point of view, generally give ORS through IV fluids and plasma and platelets, sometimes insert will give to in our body like that. Along with that process, if any symptoms is there like fever or joint pains or stomach pain, that related point of view, what type of symptoms the patient feels, then that related localized treatment only you can give. This is the modern medicine point of view treatment. mostly in IV fluids, and sometimes platelets will decrease, then plasma and platelets both are inserted in our body. That is very very important thing. Now we can see the what about the Indian medicine treatment. The Indian medicine treatment point of view, first of all avoiding the mosquitoes point of view, then we can see first of all neem and mustard seeds, asafoetidea. These all mix and keep it in the fire, then smoke will release. That smoke can kill the mosquitoes. So this is the primary prevention treatment for all the persons. So this treatment for can avoiding the mosquitoes. So that is the one thing. The next one, increasing the platelets. That is the very very important. Suppose decrease the platelets, sometimes death will occur. So increasing the platelets point of view, treatment is there in our Indian medicine like Ayurveda, Siddha, like that. The next one is the immunity increasing point of view, also treatment is there. Immunity boosting treatment. That is also one of thing. The next one is the Laksanika Chikitsa. Laksanika Chikitsa means symptom based treatment. That is also one of the treatment. At the same time, one in our Indian treatment point of view, antiviral treatments is there. So lot of antiviral drugs are available in Ayurveda and Siddha and herbals. So through using these all the things, antiviral treatment also you can give that. According to human body nature, tattva, dosa, these all the things point of view, we can design a proper treatment and save the patient. This is the dengue point of view treatment. So this is our Indian medicine point of view treatment. So if you have any problem, then you can consult in your in your area. Any Ayurveda and Siddha physician is there, then you can meet that. But don't use the self medication. So many persons call, sir, in our home one person is there, like dengue fever, then what is the medicine, please prescribe sir, please send the WhatsApp message sir. So don't ask such type of uses coachings. Okay, so because a proper treatment always save the human life and protects their family also. So that is very very important. So treatment is the very very proper way. The next one you can see the platelets improvement. Generally that platelets is very very important to our human body. So in dengue fever point of view, that dengue virus can decrease the platelets. So now we can improve our platelets point of view. Some of home remedies is there, but more effective home remedies. Then we can see that in papaya leaf decoction, we can make that 30 ml morning and 30 ml night. Then you can take that. That is also best remedy. So for platelets increasing. Next, the papaya leaves pure juice, 2 to 3 spoons, like 10 ml. You can take morning and evening. That is also immediately improve your platelets. So that is the thing. The next one is cod liver oil capsules is available in our market. So then you can take that. That is also good for platelets. The next one, vitamin C, very very important for immunity point of view. So that you can use citrus fruits. The next one, wheatgrass, that is also very important, and pomegranate fruit. That pomegranate fruit also very very healthy for platelets improve, and in virus point of view also we can protect, and immunity also very immunity point of view also best boosting. So you can eat the pomegranate fruit. At the same time, vitamin B12 also you can take that, like milk, egg, like that. And vitamin K, that is also very very important. Vitamin K also you can take that. In tomato also vitamin K is there, and green leafy vegetables also, vitamin K also available, then you can take that. So this is the overview of the dengue fevers. So if you have any person suffering from dengue fevers, don't worry, don't take the self medication, just go and meet your near of any Ayurveda Siddha physician, then you can meet that, or otherwise you can go and join the in hospital also, then you can take treatment from physician in proper way. Because everything you have to identify. What about your blood counts? What about your platelet counts? If you have a dengue or not in proper way. So these are the things very important. Don't take immediately paracetamol and antibiotic 4-5 days. Generally you can take that. That is waste of time. After 4-5 days, obviously platelets will decrease. Internal bleeds also there. The patient nothing to strengthen. So obviously I know so many persons death by dengue fevers by using self-medication only. So don't use the self-medication. Please humble request all the people. So you can take treatment from physician in proper way. Okay? Thank you. Atma Namaskar.